Pilipinas, it's time for Family Feud! Let's meet our two teams, Certified Hunks and Heartthrobs. Make way for Team Tisoy! At mula sa lahi ng magaganda, Primetime Queen, Marian Rivera at ang Team Tisay. Please welcome Family Feud's main man, ang ating kapuso, Ding Dong Dantes!
Magandang hapon, Pilipinas, and welcome to Family Feud. Welcome, Team Tisoy, at welcome, Team Tisay. Hanep! Ito po, ang ating special episode ng Family Feud, ang pinakamasayang family game show sa buong mundo. Napaka-espesyal po natin ngayon dahil hindi lang isa, kung hindi dalawang families na malapit sa akin ang makakasama natin ngayon at iyong isa sa kanila, number one sa puso ko. Wow! Pero, ito lang po ang pinapangako ko. Wala akong kinikilingan at wala akong kakampihan dahil dapat patas tayo rito. In short, bahala kayo sa buhay nyo. Wala kayo dyan! Kilalanin natin sila. Starting with the boys. Ito na. Team Tisoy, headed by Arthur Solinap, ang team captain. Art, pakilala mo naman ng Team Tisoy na kasama mo ngayon dito sa Family Feud.
Ang Big Baba! Pinakamalupit na action star sa Santa Ana, karerahan ng Makati, Lujud Gonzalez! Ang second naman na papakilala ko, ang lalaking kapatid ni Dong, ang engineer ng pamilya, Angelo Dantes!
Angelo, welcome! Makakalkula mo kaya kung anong mga sagot mo dito. Tignan natin.
Ang Draco ng Voltes 5, Carlo Gonzalez!
What's up, Carlo? Hanep, ito, kilalanin nyo ang Team Tisay na makakalaban ninyo, headed by. Ako nang papakilala, ang nag-iisang Marimar, ang nag-iisang Jezebel, at Proserpina, at soon to be Maria ng buhay ko, ang reyna ng aming tahanan, Marian Rivera Dantes.
May question lang ako. Yung sinabi mo kaninang bala ako sa buhay ko, totoo ba yun?
Bala kayo sa buhay nyo. Oo, pero alam mo ba,
Time. I'm San Tonton. Please act as Tontan.
Ding Dong Dantes. Com has been on. Ding Dong Dantes. You are under arrest.
What? What did he do this time?
Yes, I did. You are under arrest for child abuse Kalu 24/7 nonstop and giving you birthday punishment day.
What? You can't arrest us. Who do you think you are? At the city. Wait a minute. You are not the Ghost City Police. Who are you come from?
We are the police's Astro Pizza super visitors, and child abusers are executed right now. And I heard about 3 abusing her son 24/7 and giving you a punishment day. What the hell is going on with you?
What? No, you can't arrest there. Look, who's not arrest there.
Yes, we are going to the court. We will see what we have in stock.
Hey, let me go. We can't arrest in there.
sama-sama tayong magiging saksi.
Nagpapanggap na babae para makapambiktima. Ganyan umano ang modus sa hinihinalang pugad ng love scam na Pogo Hub sa Pasay City. Saksi si Oscar Oida.
Sanib puwersang sinalakay ng PAOK, NBI, Bureau of Immigration at Pasay City Police ang umuri illegal na Pogo Hub sa Jokno Boulevard sa Pasay City. Nasa 500 tauhan ng nasabing Pogo Hub ang inabutan sa lugar.
Nagpapanggap na babae para makapambiktima. Ganyan umano ang modus sa hinihinalang
Mr. Kelong, you are under arrest for child abuse kaya we are going to the court right now.
Why is he from Makasapa? Huh? Did you want to do this but I can't do that now.
She is an online student, and she is 3 young to get arrested.
What? No. You can't arrest them. Lakshina's arrested so you can't stop it. But wait a minute, you are not the Ghost City Police. Who are you doing?
Now, the G-Man Network Studio 7 will arrest there.
And I heard about 3 abusing women our son 24/7 and giving you a daughter punishment day at the end of the GMA. What are your views, arrest? Let's go to court now.